Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Check it out, guys. Got another install for you. Check it out what I got over my shoulder. Right here, I am installing the catch can from my Superduty Ford Tremor. Guys, very easy to do. Stay with me. I'll show you how I got it done. Please consider like, subscribe. Enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. Let's go. We got a new toy. Yeah, baby. Alright guys, check it out. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this catch can I just picked up. Alright, so just received it a day ago, so I'm going to try and install this today. Alright, but before we do that, let's open it up and take a look at it. Pretty good. Okay, as you can see, I went with the black finish. Very nice. All right, so that's that. Let's open this part here. Here's that other part. Very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. Alright. So let's put that there. And again, we get the quick connect hoses here. Very thick. Very well made. Alright guys, so this is a quick look at it. Okay guys, just want to give you another quick look at it, how it comes. All right, again, this is for just pretty much eye candy for my Super Duty guys out there who may be considering picking up this product. All right, I was pretty much on the fence on picking this up, but I was looking at another YouTuber, and I'll find the link of that video when they took apart their engine and they saw how much oil was getting into, I believe, the crankshaft, and based on his observation, stated that he was going to put a catch can in. He's more of a professional tuner, and that pretty much put me over the fence on picking this up. All right, again, I wanted just to extend the life of my engine. All right, and get as much life out of it. If I can put something in there to restrict any type of damage to it, I don't mind investing in the money. So again guys, this is just pretty much eye candy for you guys for a quick look at it, closer look at it, more detailed look at it. And what we're going to take it over to the truck and get it installed. And again, I'm going to take you through it. It shouldn't be that difficult. So enough of me talking, and let's continue on with this. All right. Okay guys, I got my catch can here. So what we're gonna do now, first thing, we're gonna install it. Now it goes onto this little terminal right here, as they said by the manufacturer. So what I'm gonna do first is just take this part off so I can get it screwed on. Now, catch can there. Now, I assume you could go either this one or this one, I believe. I'm gonna put it on this one. That's the way it came. That's easy enough. Okay, good. Now we got to move this here. So you can use a screwdriver. In this case, I'm using a 7mm. And this is a C-clamp. This pops right off. Okay, this to the side. Definitely gonna use it again. What we're gonna do now, once you got the fittings unloosened, all right, all we're gonna do is remove this here now. So this slips right off, like this. All right, be careful, there's a rubber gasket that's on this, so don't wanna lose that. Just gonna slide that back. All right, this is already loose. So let's take this off like that, all right? I can put this to the side. Okay? Again, see this rubber piece right here, don't want to lose it, so just be conscious about that. Actually, I'm gonna put this to the side so I don't remember. So don't want to lose that also, all right? So now, this gives us access to our hose area. What are we looking at is this here and this here, and get our hose connected. Okay guys, I'm going to show what I did. All right, I got this tab off. Now there's a blue connector here, and this part right here you have to push upward. All right, and once you push upward, then you just pull upward and it'll slide off. And as you can see guys, right there, see a little oil. All right, I only got 6,000 miles on my my engine, but you can see some oil already right there. So that's what this catch can is gonna help prevent building up. All right, so we got one off, so we got a second one right here. All right, all you're gonna do, again, you're gonna slide it, take it, pinch upward, all right, and slide right off. It comes right off. All right, guys. What I'm demonstrating now is you're going to take the longer hose and you're going to snake it behind the little wire back there. All right. So just take your time. It's really just figure out which direction you're going to take the hose as far as the connection. It's self-intuitive. Pretty much when you look at it, you'll see what lines up better. So right now, I'm just figuring out what's the best angle to approach it. The holes are flexible enough you can maneuver in the best direction that you feel fit. And pretty much you're just going to just take it and click right on top of it. It's going to snap right in very easily. Once you get that into the catch can, you're going to take the other hose and connect it to that blue connector. All right. And it's going to snap in. And that's it. It's that simple, easy peasy, nice and easy. All right. So now I'm going to take the second shorter one and again going to do the same thing. All right, now this one, as you're going to see, is angled. You got a pretty much like a right angle or left angle, depending on how you look at it, connector, and then you got one that kind of angular. The angular one goes to the black fitting. The right angle one snaps into the oil catch can. And again, same thing, just take your time and snap in. It's very, very easy to install, to my surprise. And that's it. So I'm just clicking it, making sure I got the right angle. And that's it. Easy peasy, nice and easy. So let's continue to the next step, all right? All right, guys. Again, and now we're going to do the clean side separator. Now, same thing. I'm just going to lift up on this tab here. Come straight off. All right. This here is compression fitting. Just to go right over it. Snapped in. And now this one here, you're just gonna have to readjust just a little bit. Snapped in. That's it. All right, guys. Just a quick look, closer look at it. This clean side. Find out look how it's installed. Dirty side. Okay, very easy to install. Surprisingly easy to install. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm gonna end this. Hope that was helpful. Please consider like, subscribe, and I'll check you out on the next one, guys. Later.